Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. With the new version 9 firmware update, I'm going to show you how to transmit where you want to go on your phone to the car. That's useful for situations where you want to look something up, like an address, and you want to quickly get it to your car without having to type it into the screen. So what you do is, I've got an iPhone 7, so in my Google Maps app, I'm going to type in Sydney Opera House. Sydney Opera House. Okay. So you click it, and on the screen here, okay, so we go share, that share button, press the Tesla button, we'll say sending, and it should pop up on the car.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Johnson Street.
Okay, that's pretty good. Great, and there's your navigation route right there. So pretty handy from your phone to your car. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope it's a lovely day wherever you are in this world, and as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to stay up to date with our latest videos. If you're about to buy a Tesla, use my promo code Thomas7208 to score 6 months of free supercharging. Happy charging!